Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my affiliate marketing info channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a product called the Tech Starter. Tech Starter is what is this product? Tech Start is all about. Tech Starter is also special. It's a very special product that you can include product that you can give away for free. This is not something like a PR, something like a PR. This is also private label like product. Is video training course is all about how you can get started with affiliate marketing. It's also a very much more high value and really video training course you can give it away. Is other than that because you have giving away the very high quality course and you can also to build your credibility and your brand. Other than that, they also include some included the opt-in page and also as well as the email follow-up series. Then you can also to how you can build your list and follow up with your email subscriber, and that is also you can build your list and also to build your relationship with the new subscriber. So that is okay. This is new to the affiliate marketing, and also this is also something that you can also to sell other people and get commission. But the first part is you should have the opt-in page. Maybe you call something that you can also heard of some of Google. You can see that on maybe there's also the landing page on here and switch page. There's also the main function that is capture the email address and also to build your email list. The more email subscriber you have, that is also you have more potential to make more profit in the future. So if this is something that you are interested in this product, Kickstarter, please stay with me because I also included and some custom bonus in order to help you to get started to make more money as well. Not only just for you can get set up with $100 and you can get a much more high ticket offer. That's also you can pay at least almost 50% commission for high ticket. And on the market, you can also to see at least $500 per sale. That is also I highly recommend. If you pick up this product that takes start through my link, I also to give you a chance with my exclusive bonus. But before I jump into my bonus page, I also to remind you that please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to turn on the notification bell. After you watch my video and enjoy it, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into that. There's also the sales page totally done for you. It's building the magnet that builds the credibility and trust. That is also the money in your list. They also come with a 30-day money back guarantee. And there's also they also have come with a 2 bonus grams profit how you can make profit with Instagram. Back to profit and also profit from Instagram. There's also you can get 2 exclusive bonus if you pick up this front end. There's also the bonus offered by the vendor. So let's jump into my bonus page. If you pick up the Kickstarter, I will give you the 9 bonus. The bonus number 1 $100 a day with free traffic. Bonus number 2 $100 per day from your phone. Bonus number 3 10 websites to learn $100 a day just for bonus 1, 2, 3. To help you to get started with $100 a day. That's also if you type on budget. You just if you just grab the bonus number 1, 2, 3, get started to make $100 a day, and you can also to invest some of the money and into pay traffic and also to fast track your fast to scale up your income. Bonus number 4 I will give you the training course high ticket hero. It's also included 40 video about how you can get a flow of traffic and promote high ticket program. Bonus number 5 I will give you can create a free account. This also you can get started with the free organic traffic from Google. It's also completely free. You can start it for free. Bonus number 6 I will give you the free no cost traffic app you can get started with today. Bonus number 7 I will give you the 50,000 visitors you can deliver any website you want. Bonus number 8 I will give you a system that is also you can free to start up. After then you can have the unlock 12 income stream. At the best part is most of them you can get paid month after month. Also, number 6 that I will give you a free affiliate program. You can sign up for free. What is the benefit? You sign up this free affiliate program. You can make multiple stream of income. You can promote affiliate program. You can, at the first part, you can integrate with the autoresponder and build your email and also to build your downline as well. But if you to pick up any upsell and downsell, I also included more than 2 more exclusive bonus for you. The OTO bonus one, I will give you an exclusive bonus package. Before what you will get, you will get about 18 training courses, and 6 of them you don't have to any account registration. There's also you can create your account name and email address. And also part 2 12 video training. Part 3 13 PDF report. Part 4 you have the one with the WordPress plugin. Part 5 you have and one more Google Doc. This also have different various content you can use. OTO bonus I will give you an exclusive bonus package. You include 5 parts. Part 1 is free training course. Part 2 marketing software. You can also to use to have marketing. Part 3 free report. Part 4 some freebie you can download. Part 5 is the most important thing. Is you can have a free website. A list about over 10 websites you can register for free, and you can pick up which one is suitable for you. Off the website will help you to make more money online. So as it also all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hit 0. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page. When you come to my bonus page, you need to practice any blue button, and you will redirect to the sales page of the Kickstarter. When you purchase this product through my link, and all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside the Warrior Plus before the countdown timer hit 0. All my exclusive bonus will be delivered to you inside and after you purchase the purchase detail, and you can see the link to the blue box, and you can click the button, and you will get all my exclusive bonus. But if you pick up any upsell and downsell, and you will get my 2 exclusive bonus. Also, before I jump into the membership, just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to smack the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. So let's jump into the membership of Kickstarter. First of all, you have a welcome message, welcome email. There's also you have a welcome email. And the next part is also the important announcement. They also you can see the start booster. There's also the first upsell, but don't worry, I will reveal to you what are the price and upsell as well. And then the next section is about the important announcement. This is also the very important thing you can watch them and also and how to whitelist everything you want to watch this important video before you go to the next section. You can also to subscribe to his YouTube channel and join his Facebook Kickstarter. That is also the most important thing when you create this product. This also you can have about let's jump also. This is also about a 14 minutes video which will walk you through how you can that. Great. There's also will walk you through how you can set up your email list. There's also and they also have and they use get response. If you have a website, there's no problem. But there's also you can and set up in your a website. If you have no auto response, you can also to get the response for 30-day trial. And also the best part is that you don't have to worry about how you can build your landing page. You don't have to worry about to pay extra money. Cost some click funnel lead page or the instant page to build your landing page, because they also included the download your opt-in page, give away the license, and also the upgrade and Kickstarter boost is also another upgrade I will relate to you what are there. But it also because you have and when you put some payment and advertising traffic, especially in Google or Facebook pins, they also have a disclaimer. This also you can see this also disclaimer, privacy policy and terms. This also you should include this 3 pages. If you have no idea, you can also to have this product and pages for you to use. They also have included the download your promo email and welcome email for you to because they have the opt-in page. After they opt-in, you have the email to follow up. If you have no idea how to do this, they also included the welcome and the follow-up series. They will set up with everything for you. And also the best part is that you can giving away their very powerful variable 嘅 free marketing 嘅free affiliate marketing 嘅course you can give away啦。It's not PLR private label 位嘅位啦。This is also to increase your credibility and also to build your brand啦。And the next section is all about this also explore your list. This is also how you can what is the next if you want to explore your email list. They also have to click here to get started with a booster, and Kickstart booster is also the one of them. They also have the upsell. They also included the upsell under number 1 and upsell number 2. Kickstart the booster. This also I will related to you what you will get. They will get YouTube traffic to promote demo and also they also have the 6 traffic source that also you can use. How you can use it? Some of them is pay. Most of them and I think is also the free traffic. Facebook traffic Twitter traffic Pinterest traffic Instagram traffic Core 嘅 traffic Solo ad traffic is Solo ad is paid traffic Core and other than and also other the platform is also the completely free and also how you build your emails explore your income and this is also the second upsell Kickstart Pro is also how you can get your affiliate link That's also related to you. This also you can also give away this the product and the best part is you can also give away this product you can also to put your affiliate link that is also you can have your more have a potential to make more affiliate commission set up your done for you website and also to make your custom domain and profit to your new site. That's also the upsell number 1 and upsell number 2 boost and pro That's also the what you will get inside the members area So let's jump into what are the price and upsell as well That is also what is part unreachable. The price is just for $1. Just for $1. So I highly recommend you can grab it because you have a ton of value. Also you can add opt-in page opt-in page and give away to the offer and also you have an email list and how you can get started. This is also the very powerful way just for $1. Upsell number 1 is to boost for $70 and also come with down sales $12. I highly recommend grab it because you will have just for $1. You have 6 traffic source done for you banner for Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and a demo video plus a promo you can upload to your YouTube and also have a legal page template if you want to tap into the paid ad included 8-day email sequence and also you can get the 5 more bonus. Let's jump into the 5 more bonus. Also you can also to see that if you jump into this also the 5 more bonus. If you pick up this if you want to pick up this option number 1 just for $12. This is no brainer booster. Option number 2 is Pro $57, $27. That's also you can learn commission for building the list by giving away the free training because by giving away done for you the training because you can and update your site with affiliate link. That is also what you will get. You will get recurring income. That's also because such a get responder if they sign up or get responder through your link. They will pay month after month. Also you can get recurring income and also you can learn high ticket commission and you can also to see the high ticket commission. That's also the I think this is also the Ministry of Freedom. It's all high ticket conversion. High ticket commission. That's also you can get paid over $500 per sale. That's also the very amazing. So that's also I highly recommend you should grab the option number 1. There's also come with down sale $12. Option number 2 Pro $37 the down sale. Option number 3 Effective $97, $67. You will get Kickstart the marketer one-on-one 1 hour using attention how you can get started with affiliate marketing business Option number 4 Go $197, $147 and also I recommend this you will have and Kickstarter for the Pro version. If you pick up the Pro you will have if you want to more helpful you can grab the Go $147 and you will have and custom you will update and set up your link once you have applied to them. It's also the one-on-one to assist if you don't have applied to set up the pro version for yourself. It's also to help you to skyrocket your potential income. This also I highly recommend if you after you pick up the pro you can also to consider if you pick up the Grow 147. Option number 5 is last bonus. Last upsell resell $137 and $97 is also you can get the right to sell this product and keep 100% commission. But in my opinion, I recommend you can grab the option number 1 and option number 2 both $12 you can have a 6 and traffic source and you can have an 8-day sequence 5 bonus I had just for $12. Pro you can have $27 you can also to integrate with your and affiliate link there's also you can have the recurring income and high ticket commission there's also the high ticket commission you can get at least almost $500 per sale. There's also I highly recommend you can grab the option number 1 and option number 2 and also have the demo video of Kickstart. You can also watch the demo video on my bonus page. Simply click the link below in the description. The first thing they will come to my bonus page and also to watch the demo video on my bonus page. Other than that, if you pick up just for the one and just $1, you have a pick up 9 bonus. If you pick up any upsell, I highly recommend you can grab the option number 1, option number 2 and other than that, you will get my 2 very awesome exclusive bonus. If you can also to sell more 18 training course, 12 video training and also have the exclusive bonus package. All my and also this is also the very amazing. So that's also the one. But thanks for taking time to check out my Kickstarter review and bonus. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. And also don't forget to smash the like button. And if you enjoy my video, don't forget to smash the like button and leave the comment if you have any question. And also don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. And also don't forget don't forget to remind you you can get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. And all my exclusive bonus will be delivered to the Warrior Plus. And after you purchase the file, you can have the purchase detail a little blue button and you will get all my exclusive bonus. That's also what you will get. Thanks for taking time to check out my Kickstart review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to check my description below to grab your freebie. See you.